Hi everyone, in this video I will be sharing with you my unboxing for iPhone 12 mini, which I got it today. Is in blue color, 64 gigabyte. So this is iPhone 12 mini, comes in October year 2020 in blue colors. Here you can see 64 gigabytes in blue iPhone 12 mini. This is the box. Nice, neat box. So the phone got 5.4 inches OLED display, screen size, 5.4 inches. It's very nice. I like it is my favorite color, the blue color. Finally, Apple got the blue color. This is for the camera to protect the lens. They do so. This is the iPhone, very nice, shining. And this 7.4 millimeter of thickness. So it's, in my view, is thin device. This is silent and this is volume up and down. And the weight is lightweight. This is lightest 5G phone so far. The weight is just 133 grams. 133 grams. 5.0 inches screen display and full HD screen. And this is also waterproof. So silent button, yeah, and volume up and down. And this is power button, switch off, switch on, power off, power on. Apple USA, Cupertino, California. Very nice and easy to use for calling and texting. Is compact design and lovely size. And this phone is waterproof phone for up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, and the battery is 2227 milliampere battery capacity. And it has a fastest processor in the smartphone with A14 Bionic, 4 gigabyte RAM, built-in memory, and it comes in 5 colors: blue, green, black, white, and red product, red. The camera, they got two rear camera, dual camera, two rear camera, 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide with flash. And in the front got dual camera as well, two camera, 12 wide camera and 12 3D depth sensor. And for video with 4K video in both camera rack, main camera to 4K at 60 fps, and selfie video also 4K at 60 fps with fast battery charging and wireless charging, of course. and comes with the USB cable. You can use your previous iPhone power socket, or you can buy a power socket, or either you can charge wirelessly with wireless charging. And this is the cable, and that's all. This is only the Apple logo, sticker, and information about the iPhone, safety and handling, battery and charging. And this is SIM tray opener, SIM tray tool for removing the SIM card or inserting the SIM card. This is my favorite color. You can tell me what color you want to buy from iPhone 12 mini or any iPhone 12 series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye.